Jack here with Aparavi. I want to run through our data analysis and assessment dashboard. Our dashboard offers ready-to-use widgets to display easily comprehensible data metrics for your scan data. You are given a clear overview of your data and the opportunity to analyze it effortlessly. The dashboard has a modular structure and can be configured to meet your requirements. This includes files by last access date, files by creation date, the permission of the files and who has access to what, files by classifications we have built in and you can add your own, the data sources, and your files broken down by category. The next dashboard is insight into your stored data. Our dashboard provides you with numerous useful, effective functions to optimize your data management. You gain an overview of your projected data growth and data which is no longer needed. Additionally, you are alerted to the existence of potentially sensitive or personal data. This dashboard includes the amount of data you have, your projected data growth, the amount of duplicates you have, your amount of rot data, a projected unstructured data graph, and your files by category table to view what things are stored where. You can view all these exciting dashboards at aparavi.live, where you can join our waitlist for our free version, where you're able to gain access to these insights for yourself.